To automatically switch to mobile data when your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's Wi-Fi connection is slow, you have to enable the switch to mobile data option. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon, tap connection, tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the gray on off switch next to switch to mobile data until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically use mobile data whenever your Wi-Fi internet connection is slow or unstable. Given to the function, you can set this option on to ensure you get a seamless internet experience by automatically switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data when needed. It's especially useful when dealing with weak Wi-Fi signal, streaming content, using Wi-Fi calling, or relying on GPS navigation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.